Hey quiz adventurers! Welcome to Nemo Quiz. Here's the question of the day. How well do you know animals? These questions are filled with fascinating animal facts, clever surprises, and tricky details that can catch even confident players off guard. We've lined up 60 quick and challenging animal questions, and for each one you'll have just 10 seconds to think fast, make your choice, and lock in your answer. The leaderboard is wide open, and today could be your chance to prove that you're the true animal quiz champion. Plenty of players have stepped up before, but now it's your moment to stand out. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Nemo Quiz so you never miss our fun, challenging, and brain-twisting animal quizzes. Which animal is known for having 10 legs? Off to a flying start. The crab is the correct answer. Who runs faster, a lion or a tiger? Nice thinking! The lion can sprint faster over short distances. Which animal can turn red when it gets angry? Sharp answer! The octopus changes color with emotion. Which animal curls into a ball to protect itself? Good call. The hedgehog rolls up tight. Would you rather be chased by a hedgehog rolling like a spiky ball, or like this video to stay safe in your cozy burrow? Let's see those answers down in the comments. Between an alligator and an orca, whose bite is stronger? Our choice! The alligator delivers a crushing bite. Which animal has stripes on its actual skin? Well spotted! The tiger has striped skin. Which animal produces the loudest sound on Earth? Impressive! The blue whale can be heard for miles. Which animal pretends to be dead when threatened? Great instinct! The opossum plays dead. Which animal usually sleeps upside down? Correct move! The bat hangs while sleeping. Remember the position of all emojis? Where was the tiger hidden earlier? Brain power. It was at position 4. Which survives colder environments better? Solid choice. Penguins, especially emperor penguins. Which animal carries its baby in a pouch? Exactly, the koala does. Which animal has the largest brain overall? Right on, the elephant, though dolphins are cleverer. Which animal can climb smooth glass surfaces? Nice pick! The gecko defies gravity. Which animal smells by flicking its tongue? Good knowledge! The snake does this. What animal do these emojis represent? You cracked it! The answer is wolf. Which animal can rest while standing up? Well done! The horse naps on its feet. Which animal produces naturally pink milk? Wild fact, the hippopotamus does. Which animal is considered smarter? Smart choice. The pig outperforms the dog. Which has more legs, a spider, or an ant? Easy win! The spider has 8 legs. Who is faster, a cheetah or a lion? Correct again! The cheetah is the speed king. Would you rather be chased by a cheetah or hit that subscribe button to Quiz Nemo? Which animal breathes using lungs? Nice catch! Dolphins breathe air like us. Which animal has fingerprints similar to humans? Surprising, right? The koala does. Which shark species is the largest? You nailed it! The whale shark is enormous. Which animal can glow naturally in the dark? Cool pick! Some jellyfish light up. Which is heavier, a polar bear or a hippo? Correct! The hippo outweighs the bear. How many hippos can you find here? Sharp counting! There are 11. Can you find the rhino hiding among them? Great eyes! You spotted it in time. Which animal can mimic human speech? Nice one! The parrot copies words. Which animal cannot walk backward? Exactly! The kangaroo can't move back. Which animal's horns keep growing? Solid answer. The goat. Which animal can detect smells underwater? Interesting choice. Dolphins use advanced sensing. Which animal can walk on the ocean floor? Well played! The octopus can do it. What animal matches this shape? Nice spotting! It's a butterfly. Which animal makes this sound? Perfect! That sound belongs to the elephant. Which other animal can sleep standing? Fun twist! Elephants can too! Who spits farther, a camel or a llama? Haha, correct! The llama wins! Which animal has cube-shaped poop? Strange but true, the wombat. Which animal pushes its stomach outside to eat? Gross but awesome, the starfish. Which animal shoots blood from its eyes? Crazy defense, the horned lizard. Who runs better on sand? Good call. The camel handles sand best. Which animal can run across water? Correct! The basilisk does it. Can you find all three differences? Fantastic focus! You caught everyone! Which animal is a strong swimmer? Nice! The penguin swims well. Which animal can climb trees? Exactly! The panda can climb. Which animal has see-through skin? Amazing sight! The glass frog. Which animal hibernates during winter? Correct! The hedgehog sleeps it out. Which animal ranks highest in IQ here? Easy one. The parrot. Which animal is said to deliver babies? Classic answer, the stork. Which animal is known for laughing? Right again, the hyena. Which emoji doesn't belong? Sharp eye, you picked the odd one. Which fish inflates itself when scared? Good choice! The puffer fish. Which animal lives on land and in water? Correct! The frog lives both lives. Which animal uses tools? Smart pick, the chimpanzee. Which animal travels the farthest? Impressive! The Arctic tern flies pole to pole. Which animal carries babies in its mouth? Interesting! The frog does this. Which animal represents peace? Of course! The dove! Which animal makes honey? Spot on! The bee. Thanks for being part of today's exciting challenge. If you had fun, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.